Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with English subject. You can see on your screen, read the heading CVC words with A. A vowel. You can see A vowel. In our previous videos, we have learned the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. See the heading? See the pictures. Fill in the blanks with these A words. See the pictures. Can you see these pictures? There is a man with the pan. There is a cat with the rat. There is a man. He is sad, and there is a man under the fan. You can see there is a fan also. So these all words are with A vowel sound. Okay children. So what we have to do here? We have to see the pictures. Then by seeing the pictures, there is a box. You can see the box. In this box, there are many A sound words. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-D, sad. M-A-N, man. F-A-N, fan. So, these all words are A sound words. A vowel sound words. So what we have to do, we have to complete this sentence by using this A vowel sound words children. See here, by seeing this picture, we have to pick one word from this box. Then we have to write here in this given lines, in this given blanks. Okay? Let's do this. See this children, see the picture. First read the sentence. There is a dash, there is a blank with a man with a pan. What we can write? See the picture. See the picture now. A man with a pan. You can see he is having pan. And who's this? This is a man. So here we have to write. See this. Take this word. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. A man. W-I-T-H, with a P-A-N, pan. Take the pan word from the box. P-A-N, pan. So you can see the complete sentence now. A M-A-N, man. W-I-T-H, with a P-A-N, pan. A man with a pan. You can see the picture. A man with a pan. So see the next picture now. See the next picture. What is there in the picture? Cat and rat. So here in these two dashes we have to write cat name and rat name. So how can we relate this sentence? How can we complete the sentence? A rat and a cat. We can write here rat. See the box? In the box there is a spelling of rat. R-A-T. A rat, A-N-D, and a C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. So the sentence is completed now. A rat and a cat. See the next picture now children. What is this? A sad man. S-A-D, sad. You can see the face of this man. He is so sad. See the face expression. See the face expression. The man is sad. So here what is the sentence? A S-A-D, sad. So what we have to write here in this dash children? Man. What is this? Man. So here also one more man word is there. M-A-N. Man. A sad man. So this sentence is also completed. See the next picture now. There is a man under the fan. See here. So once again you can see the man. Here also a man. M-A-N. A man. U-N-D-E-R. Under T-H-E. The. See the fan. The man is standing under the fan. F-A-N. Fan. So the sentence is completed now. Let's read the sentence once again. A man with a pan, a rat and a cat, a sad man, a man under the fan. So these all are words with A vowel sounds, and even you can find here sight words with All these are sight words, children. and, UNDER, under, THE, the. So the sight words helps to make the sentences, helps to complete the sentences. So here what we are using the sight words as well, and with the sight words we are using the vowel sound words also. So do this in your homework and send it to me. Thank you all.